hit 500 subscribers. Hello amazing people, welcome back to Gadgets on TV. Today we are celebrating a huge milestone. We have reached 500 subscribers. So the journey was very hard. When we started this channel, we didn't know how far it would go. But with your support, your comments, your like and your share, here we are today, 500 subscribers strong. So we have animated by YouTube partner based on content we have uploaded on our channel. Even YouTube recognized it and sent us this message: high five Gadgets on TV. You have enough funds to fill a jumbo jet. So this is amazing. Thank you to everyone who have subscribed, who believed in us and who watched our video. We appreciate every single one of you. So after this, what's next is, that is the just beginning. We are planning more videos about education, technology, biography, motivation, documentation and different live stream. So if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. You help us to get 1000 subscribers. Make like, share and leave a comment below. Thanks to be with us. Success is not in a number, it's in impact, but 500 is a big sign we are making an impact. So continue to be with us, you will get more info.